Ji-hoon, born May 16, 1982, is a South Korean actor and model. He first gained international recognition with his leading role in the television series Princess Hours 2006 and has achieved further prominence with the series Mask 2015, Kingdom 201922020, Hyena 2020, Light Shop 2024, and The Trauma Code, Heroes on Call 2025, for which he won Best Actor at the 61st Baeksang Arts Awards. Has also garnered acclaim for his performances in the films Asura, The City of Madness 2016, Along with the Gods, The Two Worlds 2017, and its 2018 sequel, The Spy Gone North 2018, and Dark Figure of Crime 2018. Ji-hoon was born on May 16, 1982, on Gangneung District, Seoul, South Korea. He graduated with a degree in acting from Kyunghee University. In 2003, Rue debuted as a model in advertisements for clothing brands such as Calvin Klein, Levi's, and Reebok. He had various bit parts in television dramas, but it was in 2006's romantic comedy Princess Hours, based on the manhwa-gung, that he achieved breakthrough. The drama was a hit domestically with a peak rating of 28.3% and internationally across Asia, catapulting Rue into Korean wave stardom. He won the Best New Actor award at the MBC Drama Awards along with his co-star Yoon Yoon-hae. In January 2011, ahead of Rue's military discharge in November, he signed with entertainment agency Key East, owned by actor Bae Young-yeon. In August 2012, Rue made his comeback in the period comedy film I Am the King. Inspired by the popular novel The Prince and the Pauper, Rue played the dual role of Grand Prince Chung-young and the slave Deok Kyle in a fictional period before the prince becomes King Sejong the Great. This was followed by his starring role as a pianist in the melodrama Five Fingers, broadcast from August to November 2012. Rue also starred in medical drama Medical Top Team, 17, and romantic comedy film Marriage Blue. Rue made his film debut in China with Love Suspicion, a romantic thriller. In 2014, Rue was paired up with Ji-sung and Lee Kwang-soo in Confession, a neo-noir film that brutally explores the aftermath of three men's friendship after the death of one's mother. From 2017 to 2018, Rue starred in the two-part fantasy epic Along with the Gods, The Two Worlds. The film was the second highest-grossing film in South Korea, and Rue became known for his role as Hae-won-mi. 2018, Rue starred in the thriller films The Spy Gone North and Dark Figure of Crime. Rue's performance in both films earned acclaim, and he won several Best Supporting Actor awards at film ceremonies for his performance in The Spy Gone North, and was nominated for Best Actor at the Blue Dragon Awards for Dark Figure of Crime. In 2019, Rue made a comeback to the small screen with two television series: Netflix's zombie period drama Kingdom and NBC's fantasy legal drama Item. In 2020, Rue reprised his role in the second season of Kingdom and starred in the legal drama Hyena. In January 2021, Rue signed with new agency H and Entertainment. On February 2, 2010, Rue enlisted in the Republic of Korea Army to serve his mandatory military service for 5 weeks of basic training at 306th Draft in Uiyeongbu of Gyeonggi Province, followed by active duty with the Reserve Forces. Later in August, Rue co-starred with fellow actor Lee Yeon-ji in the military musical Voyage of Life, the musical, to commemorate the 60th anniversary of the Korean War, was co-produced by the Ministry of National Defense and Korea Musical Theater Association. It ran from August 21st to 29th at the National Theater of Korea. Rue was discharged on November 21st, 2011. On April 27, 2009, Rue was indicted without detention by Seoul Metropolitan Police along with 15 people on suspicion of using ecstasy supplied by actors Young Sil-hee and Yi-hak Young. On June 23, 2009, he pleaded guilty in court to use of ecstasy and ketamine. Rue was sentenced to a 6-month prison term suspended for 1 year, 120 hours of community service, and 360,000 won in fines. On the suspended sentence, the judge explained, the nature of the crime is by no means light. However, he has no prior criminal record, has reflected deeply on the crime, and has not taken any drugs since the time a year and 2 months ago. Also, many fans from within the country and from overseas have appealed for an appropriate handling of the matter and sent petitions. Rue's lawyer also stated, of course, he must accept the price of his crime, but wrong information kept coming out and exaggerated him as a habitual user, and some of it was unfair. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.